Nick Varner, as is his usual style, circles the table and considers the situation very studiously before making the shot. Good shot, but it didn't go in. Eto na. Pagkakataon na naman to para kay Bata. Huwag lang magtatago.
Pero mahirap pa rin. Like I said, pwedeng pumasok ang 3, pero ang preparasyon para sa 4.
The 3 in the corner pocket.
Hindi nag-break eh.
Hindi tumama.
Yun, bumalik doon. May pasok.
Medyo napakangiti si Efren. Meanwhile, Nick Varner stood up to look at the situation. There's a play 4 at the corner. Looking now at the orange 5 ball. Nangingiti si Efren dahil alam niyang meron na namang ngumingiti sa kanyang lady luck, ano?
Oo, talagang talo na siya doon sa 27th game eh.
Yes.
Pumasok yung 8, tapos sa 28th game, yung kombinasyon ni Varner 1 hanggang 9.
Oh! Napakabot na naman sa ulo si Efren Reyes.
No, may give me 5 pa. Dati pa may give me 5. Eh, sana yung cameraman, hindi kinukuha eh. Hindi na anong cameraman natin.
Doon po sa gilid kanina lumapit na yung mga Pinoy at binigyan ng mga high five si Bata, pero hindi pa po tapos.
Hindi pa rin tapos dahil you have to get the 8 on the side, no? Unless he breaks it, which is possible. Pwedeng i-break yun. Pag-umangat.
Okay, looking now at the 8th ball. What a match this has been.
Varner has no luck at all.
Oh. Looks like Efren Bata Reyes will win this one.
He gets the breaks
in dramatic fashion. Efren Bata Reyes is in the championship. And look at him. Look at Efren Reyes. Ayan po. Kanina pa po sila nandyan. Efren Bata Reyes winning it by the skin of his teeth. 15-14. And si Efren medyo binigyan muna ng tubig dahil talaga naman yung pressure ay napakabigat. Nick Varner will go up against Chang